Hi, in this video, we're going to look at Omni Studio Data Mapper Transform. So Data Mapper Transform is basically used for formatting the required data in the required format before you pass it down to further components. Something like restructuring your input or renaming fields. That's basically the main purpose of the Data Mapper Transform. Okay, even substituting values in the fields, but this can be done in all the data mappers. But yeah, this is some of the features that Data Mapper Transforms used for. And yeah, we'll just jump into a demo straight away. And so we're going to build a data mapper transform that basically takes in an input from one of our older examples in the data mapper turbo extract and format it like the data mapper extract. Let's see how we can do that. Yeah, so let's create a new data mapper transform, type data mapper transform, type input output. So what we're trying to achieve here is like this is the output from one of our older examples of data mapper turbo extra. So we want to format this like account name, account email, contact name, contact email, account name, account phone. We just want these 4 fields, basically something like what we had for data mapper extract. Okay, so for that we just it's a formula field here also, but we just straight are going to go into like transform here, and our input will be which is contact name. It's a contact comma name. Put it inside contact name. So that's the input path, and this is output path. Similarly, email. We can even do this for easier. So you just copy this and paste it here, and now it's gonna do this for us. So it starts giving me suggestions if you paste it here, and you can even see the expected output once we do this. So let's see if we do this. Current JSON output is gonna look like this, and this is the input, and this is this is what we output will look like. This is pretty useful. We also want to do contact account colon. So we also want to do contact colon account colon name. Transform. Pretty simple, nothing much. Let's see, account name, contact name. So yeah, this is pretty much it what a data wrapper transform does. It's really useful when we see it in a bigger picture, when we have to pass in data from one data source to another and we wanted to format it in a particular way so that down systems understand it. Pretty useful then. Instead of writing JavaScript or Apex code to do that, we can just use a data after transform. Alright, thank you. That's it for this one.